Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how you all can change any dress color just in 30 seconds as like this. It's super duper easy. Just follow all my instructions as shown. So further ado, let's start. First of all, open Adobe Photoshop application on your computer. Select Pen tool. Then select the dress's area roughly by pointing step by step. After perfect selection, go here. Move the eyedropper icon on dress's specific color, which one you want to change. Always try to pick brightest area of the color. Now select any color by dragging here, left and right. I think this one suit most. Let's try another image in the same way. Select the subject as like before. Go to Hue and Saturation to change the color. Move the eyedropper icon on dress's specific color, which one you want to change. Always try to pick brightest area of the color. Now select any color by dragging here, left and right. Tweak 3 of all option for better result. Always try to pick the color, which ones show more realistic. I think this one suit most. Let's another quick edit. To better adjustment, reduce opacity if the image need. See the magic. And for today, that's all. Subscribe us for more. Remember, tech passion fuels us. Join our geeky community for an immersive tech experience.